All right, so our first example has an inscribed polygon. It's actually an inscribed quadrilateral, so remember you've got the circle and the polygon is on the inside. It's inscribed. The vertex, each vertex is on the circle, making it, that's where the word inscribed comes from, similar to our inscribed angles that we've worked with. So we are given some information. Let's go ahead and write that in and then we'll figure out what's happening here. Given that angle A is 104 degrees, so there's 104. Oh, and there's that center of the circle I don't really like. Kind of looks like a belly button to me or something, so I like to fill it in. All right, angle B is 67 degrees. And then it says to find the measure of angle C and the measure of angle D. So basically we're going to use that first theorem that said that opposite angles of a quadrilateral will be supplementary if the quadrilateral is inscribed in the circle. So this one is inscribed, and what that means is angle A plus angle C is going to equal 180 degrees because A and C are opposite. We know that angle A is 104. We don't know what angle C is, but we can find it knowing that they should add up to 180. So we'll just subtract 104 from both sides. We get the measure of angle C to be equal to 76 degrees. So now this is 76. All right. Similarly, we can find angle D the same way. Angle B plus angle D, again, angles from a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Opposite angles will equal 180 degrees. Angle B is 67 plus angle D equals 180. And then solve for angle D, so subtract 67 from both sides. And then we get the measure of angle D to equal 113 degrees. So I'll just go ahead and write that in, 113. All right, so we used our first theorem to find our missing angles of this inscribed quadrilateral. One other thing just to note, kind of a side note over here, that all your angles in a quadrilateral, so anything with four sides, will add up to, anyone remember what it is? 360 degrees. So that just might come in handy. We've used it a little bit this chapter already, but now we'll just make sure it's in our notes. So all angles in a quadrilateral will add up to 360 degrees.